Hello everyone! Today we will launch the Flux neural network in the ComfyUI environment. This neural network is from the creators of Stable Diffusion, who founded a new project called Black Forest Labs. This neural network has already caused delight among users from all over the world and a feeling of impatient anticipation of new, pleasant surprises. The neural network understands the text perfectly, even without negative promptings. She knows how to draw beautiful hands with the right number of fingers, selects the right font style, and correctly writes words where we indicate works perfectly with widescreen resolution, without adding unnecessary objects to the free space. And the picture itself turns out to be so delicious that you are immediately overwhelmed by a wave of aesthetic shock. Let's get started. We go to Hugging Face on the developers page. First, we need to download the models. There are two versions on the page here. Dev version for developers, and the Schnell version is custom. Actually, there is still a Pro version, but it is not here. The developer version is slower, but the quality is better. The Schnell version is also good, but the results are different. Later, I will compare them on the same seed. I'm going to test both of them. I go to the Dev version to download the model. The models, by the way, are heavy, 23 gigabytes each. I click on the model and I'm thrown to page 401. Oops, bad luck. It was recently available, but it's not scary. Next, I'll show you where to download it elsewhere. In that case, I'll download the Schnell version from here, and I put it in the folder Models, Unet. We also need to download the encoders, all three, put them in the folder Clip. And also VAE, which is better to rename when downloading, since you may already have a VAE with the same name, but this is different. We place it in the VAE folder. Now we have everything we need. Launching ComfyUI. Go to the manager and first of all, update your ComfyUI. Click Update All, and we will definitely restart it. Now to start testing Flux, we need examples of workflows. We go to Civet AI. The link will be in the description. There are models of all three versions, Dev, Schnell, and Pro, and here are examples of generations. But the cool thing here is that each image contains a workflow. After opening the image, you can simply drag this image into your ComfyUI, and the entire workflow will be displayed in your environment. There is only a positive prompt and there is no negative one. The most important thing here is to double-check the models. The model name may be similar to what you downloaded, but the difference in one character will give an error. The VAA model here is generally called differently by a person. Starting the generation, it turned out to be the same picture. Pay attention to the detail of the skin and what kind of lighting, what depth of field is very beautiful. Now I will test the Schnell model on the same fixed seed. The girl is very different. This is a completely different girl. It is also good, but there is less skin detail, and the picture itself is less magical. But it's still great. Here, everyone chooses for themselves, focusing on their own hardware parameters. Now let's give the neural network the task of working with the text and the general style. I want to get the concept of an album cover by some indie rock band. I'll call it, for example, Aquamarine, and the album will be called Forbidden. I write a promo where I indicate that I want to see a gothic forest, a unicorn, a depressive style in blue and purple tones, and I also write the name of the band and the name of the album. And here's the result. It's amazing. The neural network not only conveyed the general mood, correctly spelled the name of the band and album, but also look at what fonts it picked up. I already want to listen to this album. Now let's try a wide format. I want to see a lonely samurai girl standing on a mountain. It should be a cinematic shot. And that's what happened. It looks like a frame from a movie. Fascinating. Now let's see how Flux works with hands. I am writing prompta, elf's hands holding magic crystals, very briefly. And yes, there is nothing wrong with the hands. They are beautiful, realistic, and the number of fingers is correct. I'll try to generate something insanely cute to finally melt away from emotion. That's the kind of miracle I got, and I never cease to admire the depth of field and the way the neural network draws lighting. It's just some kind of magic. All these workflows will be freely available on my Patreon, and the links to all the resources are in the description in this video. If you liked it, please like and subscribe to the channel.